Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to completely remove and replace the glow plugs along with the glow plug relay from any Audi A6 C7 out there. So today I am working on this vehicle and this car has the engine 2.0 TDI with the engine code CNHA, and this car is made into the year 2014. Right here into this box I have the brand new glow plugs and the glow plug relay itself. On this vehicle the glow plug relay is made by Bosch. Doesn't matter if it's the original one or if it is an aftermarket one, I recommend you to try and buy the Bosch one. As you can see right here, this is the glow plug relay on this Audi A6 C7 out there. It is similar from other cars made by Volkswagen or into the VAG group. I'm not sure if you all know, but on this Audi and especially on the cars which are made after the year 2012 by the Volkswagen group, you will find 3 normal glow plugs and the 4th glow plug will be completely different than the others. So right here, for example, in my hand, I have a normal glow plug, which is usually installed on many cars with a diesel engine. Doesn't matter the size, doesn't matter the vehicle, the type or the model. So right here, it is a normal glow plug. And right here into this bigger box, I have a special glow plug, which it is a glow plug and also a pressure sensor reading itself into the same glow plug. This one is very expensive. It is a little bit different. It is thicker and also the connector is different than the others. So right here, as you can see, this is a special glow plug. Only this one by itself cost me about 110 euros and the rest parts cost me about 18 euros or something like that. I'm showing you all of these things because if you want to replace the glow plugs on your vehicle and on your car at home and with normal tools, you'll have to check first if you do have installed on your vehicle this special glow plug. If you have it, you'll have to buy 3 normal glow plugs and the 4th one should be this one. But if you don't have it, don't worry about it. Just buy 4 normal glow plugs and you'll be good to go. Right here in my hand, I have all the glow plugs and the glow plug relay, which I'm going to install on this kind of vehicle and on this kind of engine. Without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to open the hood and start replacing the glow plugs on this kind of vehicle. The first thing which you'll have to do is to go right here into the engine compartment. You'll have to remove this engine cover completely and put it away. And right underneath, you'll have to check for the 4 connectors, 4 wirings, which are leading you to the glow plugs on the engine. For example, the first one is right here into the front side of the engine. This is the glow plug number 1. Then right here, this is the glow plug number 2. Right here, this is the 3rd glow plug. And this one, it is the special one with the pressure sensor installed into it. And right here in the back, this is the glow plug number 4. You will have to remove this little hose, put it away. And those are the cables and the connectors which are attached to the glow plugs on this kind of engine. You'll have to lift them up. You can use a set of pliers with a long nose. And you'll have to pull them out from the glow plug. And after that, right here underneath this huge plastic shield on the driver's side and on the left side of the vehicle, you will find the glow plug relay into this location. I'm going to show you later how to reach it, how to remove it, and how to replace it completely with the brand new one which you bought for your vehicle. Right here, as you can see, I'm pulling out all the connectors from the glow plugs. And this is the difference between the glow plug with the pressure sensor installed into it and between the glow plug which is normally like on most of the cars out there. A very important tip which I can give you all before trying to remove the glow plugs from the engine is to drive the car a little bit until the engine will getting hot, until the engine will reach the normal temperature, and only then you can stop the engine. You can wait a few minutes and then you can start working on the glow plugs and start removing them. With the engine hot, the glow plugs will come out a little bit easier and the risk of breaking them will be smaller than usual. If you don't have a long set of pliers, you can always use a magnet to pull the glow plug out from the cylinder head. In my case, the first glow plug came out very easy from the engine. Also, the second glow plug came out very easy from the engine. And to remove the normal glow plugs, you'll have to use a 10mm socket. And to remove the special glow plug, you'll have to use a 12mm socket. Right now I'm removing the glow plug number 3, and this is a special glow plug. This is a glow plug with the pressure sensor installed into it. And right here, the glow plug number 4, it's also coming out very easy from the engine. I'm not exactly sure why, but all the glow plugs were coming out very easy and very nice. They are all the original glow plugs, but this vehicle has almost 180,000 kilometers. And because of that, I am not sure if they were the original ones installed by Audi or if they were replaced by somebody with the original ones in the past. And right now it's time for me to install the brand new glow plugs back into the engine, and I recommend all to use some special paste. In my case, I'm using this one, which is made specially for the glow plugs, spark plugs and injectors. And this special paste is helping them to not get rusted, to not get seized into the engine, and also in the future you will be able to remove them easier than usual. I'm going to use the special paste over all the glow plugs. I'm going to put them back into the hole from the engine, and then one by one I'm going to tighten them to spec. You will have to tighten them to 70 Newton meters on this kind of vehicle. It is very important that you always tighten by hand in the first place until you feel resistance into the cylinder head, and only then you can put the tools and torque them to spec. Very good everybody, all the glow plugs are installed back into the engine. From here you can take the connectors, you'll have to push them over the glow plug until you hear the click, and then you'll be good to go. From here I'm going to move forward and I'm going to show you all how to remove the glow plug relay on this kind of vehicle, and especially on any Audi A6 C7 out there with the engine 2.0 TDI. After you completely remove this huge panel from the engine compartment, you'll have to remove the two bolts which are securing the top part of the reservoir from the fluid washer. You'll have to pull it out from its place after that. Then right here, this is the engine ECU. You'll have to pull it out from the clips. You'll have to bend it over to create more space to work right here into this huge box from the fuse box area. And after that, you'll have to remove 5 bolts in total, which are securing the top cover from this plastic box installed over it. And then right inside it, you will find the glow plug relay on this kind of vehicle. Alright everybody, so as you can see right here, this is the glow plug relay on this kind of engine, the relay with the number 457. This is the original one made by Bosch. You can just pull it out and replace it with the brand new one which you bought for your vehicle. From what I can see on this kind of vehicle, the glow plugs and the glow plug relay are all the original parts installed by Audi when it came out from the factory. And in my case and on this vehicle, I replaced the glow plugs with the manufacturer bearing, and the glow plug relay, it's also the Bosch one like the original one. You will have to pull out the old glow plug relay and install the brand new one into its place, and then the job will be done. Alright everybody, with all of these things being said, those are all the things and all the steps which you'll have to do and follow if you want to completely replace the glow plugs and the glow plug relay on any Audi A6 C7 out there with the engine 2.0 TDI. Thank you all very much for watching. If you liked the video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a comment and a like down below. See you next time.